Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the PC has internet and an unused Ethernet port, or that the router can accept a WAN over LAN client. Plug an Ethernet cable into the PC and the router's WAN or LAN port, depending on your method. Once connected, open Windows Settings or Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. You need to locate the adapter list. This is where you'll enable sharing. So keep the window open and proceed to the next step without delay. Now you'll enable sharing on the PC's internet adapter. Right-click the adapter that has internet access, choose Properties, then open the Sharing tab. Check the box that allows other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection and select the router's adapter in the drop-down. If you prefer, set up a network bridge between adapters for Layer 2 forwarding. Make sure IP settings on the router are compatible. Set router to obtain IP automatically or assign a static in the same subnet. This prevents conflicts and ensures routing works. Finish by rebooting both the PC and the router to apply sharing and DHCP changes. After restart, check a client device for an IP address and default gateway assigned by the PC or router, then try browsing. If it fails, inspect adapter IPs on the PC and ensure the firewall isn't blocking ICS. Temporarily disable it to test. Also verify the router's WAN mode is set to DHCP if you used automatic addressing. Once fixed, re-enable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.